before. You can see all the dog hair, so forth. From you. So I'm taking, first step, I'm taking this high traffic carpet foam, and you just spray a little and then work it in. Okay, I'm going to be doing all these stairs first with the Resolve, and then I work it in with this, just because these stairs are pretty old and used, and I really want to vacuum them and get out as much hair and dirt as I can. So this says that on the back, 3 times more dirt removal. So I'm going to see if it works on these stairs. Like I said, this is how they look. Once I get up close, you can really see. And this is only about a week. But the dog goes up and down and just dirt, so. Alright, so I have done all the stairs with the so we'll see. I'm going to let that dry a little bit before I vacuum it. And then we'll see if it gets any more dirt out than usual. And also smells really good. There's a nice fresh scent. Yeah, so I will show you. my shark, and I put the brush attachment on the end. The turbo brush over there was on the Air Steerable, and it just wasn't, it just wasn't doing that good of a job. So I'm going to use this now instead. I've done those, and now I'm going to do the rest of these, and I will show you when it's done. And this is the final product. It's good. I used the Resolve first, like I showed you, and scrubbed it. And I would say that to the touch, it definitely feels softer. And a couple other times I have used it on different areas of carpet, it definitely makes the carpet feel more supple, more soft. However, I don't think it really brought up 2 times the dirt. I really, I don't see that, but I guess, and it smells really nice. So if you want something that's going to soften your carpet and really leave a nice smell, then I would recommend it. But as far as getting it to clean your carpets or to try and get more dirt out of it, I don't really see that claim. I would just go with, agitating the carpet and doing a really good vacuum before using some kind of hot water extraction carpet cleaning machine. That'll be your best bet. But overall, the stairs came out good, so yeah. So thank you for watching.